Welcome back to our daily doodle session. Today I'm going to try and draw a wolf howling at the moon. So we're going to start with its head somewhere about, let's say maybe here. Then we're going to try and add some ears. His nose is going to be somewhere there. And then I'm going to continue with its chest, which is going to be about here. Make it fluffy. And then we're going to add some legs. Let's add another one somewhere there. And then we're going to continue with its back. So we're just going to go down here. And we're going to add its tail. Again, you just want to make that fluffy. And then we're going to add the back legs. So imagine our wolf is seated. And let's add its belly. And then we're going to add the other back legs somewhere maybe there. Okay, so I like to think that our wolf is on a cliff, for example. Make it a bit more dramatic. Just like that. And because it's going to be howling at the moon, howling, we're gonna need to add the actual moon. So it's going to be somewhere there, I'd say. Try and make it as round as possible. And we're gonna have to add some texture. You can do a bit of a freestyling here. I'm just gonna kind of go with little circles, half circles, few dots, and a signature finishing touch. Which is completely optional, of course. I just wanted to make it a bit more cute. And then I figured I'd like some clouds at it as well. So let's add one here. And maybe just like half a cloud there. And you can add little stars as well. Just a couple. And this is it. That's our wolf howling at the moon. I hope you liked it. Maybe you tried doing something like this as well. And hopefully I will see you next time.